The wait is over. The ultimate powerhouse for professionals has finally arrived. Say hello to the Dell Pro Tower PC, the ultimate tool for business, creativity, and productivity. In today's fast-paced world, businesses and professionals require seamless performance to stay ahead of the curve. But outdated technology holds you back. It's time to upgrade to a machine that can keep up with your demands. The Dell Pro Tower PC is designed for enterprise-grade performance, engineered to power the most complex tasks with ease. At the heart of this beast is the Intel Core i7-14700 processor, boasting an incredible 20 cores. That's right, 20. This means you can multitask like never before, juggling multiple data-intensive tasks, running demanding software, and still have resources left over for creative workflows. But what does this mean in real terms? Imagine working on a project that was once hours away from completion, now done in mere minutes. The 32 gigabytes DDR5 RAM and 1 terabyte PCIe storage ensure that you're working with lightning-fast speed and access to your files. Creative professionals rejoice. The Dell Pro Tower PC can handle 4K video editing, 3D rendering, and graphic design workflows without a hiccup. You'll have the flexibility to take on even the most complex projects, knowing your machine can handle the task. But it's not just about raw power, it's about reliability. The carbon black design ensures durability and style, making it perfect for any workspace. You can trust that your machine will perform day in, day out without failing you. So what does it feel like to work on a machine this powerful? Imagine effortlessly switching between applications, running multiple screens, and experiencing zero lag. You're in complete control, able to focus on the work that matters most. The Dell Pro Tower PC is not just a machine, it's a game changer. It's the last upgrade you'll ever need. Don't settle for mediocrity. Upgrade to the Dell Pro Tower PC today and experience the future of productivity. Order now and unleash your full potential.